And what's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it's Tuesday, the 28th. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today. Just to give you some insight, really do not see much here on on NASDAQ. Do see a nice little, where's that? Right there. That's the nice little line that I see right here. A little bit of resistance and support built right here. Right? So this is a nice little line that you can see it's already played out the way it needs to, right? Unless it goes back up there, I'm down to take the trade again. But here, I do like this positioning here. You can see this is the trade that I wanted yesterday. Price came back, just missed it by what? We could call that a win. And that was the trade that I called yesterday and got what? At its height, 247 pips, 1 to 2 ratio. That's not that bad. But we didn't take that trade. So let me just show you what I'm seeing right now. So we have an obvious downtrend, right, on this 15-minute chart. Break a structure right here. This low broke. This low, right? This low broke this low, retracement, came up to the daily, fell off. So I do like the daily right here. Now if we draw our Fibonacci from the most recent high to the most recent low, then we draw out our IOC, which just happens to be right in that golden zone area. Do something like this. Now let's see, is this a 30-minute or just a 15-minute? It could be technically a 30-minute, right? But it's a 15-minute. We got a 5-minute. And we got a 1-minute for the most part. So this is a nice little trade. We have the EMA coming in. So if we can see a retracement back up to the zone, right? We could possibly take this trade here. Let's see what our stop loss would look like. I know these stop losses are getting, oh, that's not bad. I actually really like this trade right here. I could do this one. Take it down to here or here. It's not that bad, right? So let's see if we can get a retracement back up to our position, and then we can go ahead and take the trade. The thing with this is it is a small little retrace, right? And boom, so we could possibly see it push up. This was my original, let me show you where I thought price was going to make it up to this ILC up top, which is still a possibility, but now that it's kind of under the daily, probably not. Excuse me. I thought instead of it falling off here, I thought we would see a retracement here and then the fall off, but I see what it gives us. We got about 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes to open. If we could get a small retrace up here and then maybe a fall off, that'd be great. So let's see. All right. And we also do have news at 7, consumer confidence. Forex factory. February 15th, you guys are off by a month. Okay, so today's the 28th. Shit, we actually did have, I don't really pay attention to yellow folders, but we did have some other ones, right? What is HPI? Hold on a second. Okay, so changing the purchase price of homes with mortgages. So they're actually up. Damn. See, I don't get it. I mean, I might have missed it. You know what I mean? I might have missed the bottom. I mean, technically I didn't because I got Ethereum around 1075 in December. And then I got XRP around 34, 35 cents. And pretty happy about those. They're pretty nicely right now. I think XRP is up to like 48 cents or something like that. And Ethereum's at like 1700 right now, reached all the way up to 18 something. So up pretty well on those, but I didn't invest as much as I like to because I thought we'd see it come down to 750. So you know, I don't know. So we'll see. We shall see. All right, so let me get my screens up. Yeah, it does look like it could come up down, like on the weekly, just from what I'm seeing on the weekly. But we could see it come down from here as well. It had a huge rejection yesterday. I'm sorry, on Friday of last week. So we'll see what it gives us. Got a couple minutes, 2.5 minutes. Let's see if it gives us our little play up here. 45 pip stop loss. Let's see. Hope it makes it up right now. Let's see. All right, so I just set my sell limit. So let's see what we got here. Got about 45 seconds till open. So let's see what's what. I'm just drawing it out here on my phone. All right, it's go time. See what we got here. Man, did it already hit it? Shit. Man. Did it already hit it? Damn. Damn. All right, fuck it. I mean, I'm in it. I didn't like where I'm in necessarily, but we're in it. So, shit. That was kind of crazy. That was fast. We're right here at the support, so we know when it does this. When it breaks this little low right here. Hold on, and I'm in like right here probably. Let me see how many pips am I up. I'm up about 34 pips, 30 pips. Shit, it's hard for me to tell where I'm at. This shit's moving a little bit too much. I'm up about 24 pips right now. I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even just because it went a total of 40 pips. So I'm gonna do that right now. It's not where I wanted to get in at. I had my shit at 450, which was literally like right here. But we'll take it. See what happens now. Looks like it wants to come up on us. It's gonna stop me out at break even if it does come up. So let's see. So we're on the 5 minute here. Just kind of holding on for dear life right here, but 17 seconds, it can still pull up. Let's see if it can stay down, stay bearish, rejecting these, and we'll be in business. But if it pushes up like this, then I won't like it. Okay. It's really holding this area right here, right? See if it can finally break it. Still not breaking it. Hold on a second. What is right here? Oh, that's what's right here. It's like I was wondering if there's an EMA, and look, we got the 1 hour EMA right there. And I was thinking it could flip, but I thought maybe we could get down to this area here. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to, right? So we got to be mindful of that. Right off the EMA, you can see it's shown quite a bit of respect to the 1 hour 20 EMA. Once it broke through that, you generally do see respect shown to the 1 hour 50 EMA after that, right? It's kind of like how we do anything, right? You see it here. It's respecting the 20 EMA on the 5 minute here multiple times, right? Respect, respect, then it breaks through and respects the 50 EMA after. So, damn. Yep, coming up. I'm about 4 pips in the profit, so it's just took me out right now. I'm gonna wait for that 450 area. Let's see if we get something at that EMA. Damn, did it hit it again? Well, after that reject, let's see. Let's see, I'm not in anything right now. Okay, I just entered my position now. I'm in at about 454. So, small stop loss too. Whoa, this is gonna be it right here. 37 pip stop loss. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. First one stopped out at break even. I probably shouldn't have done that actually. Let me see something here. See if it uses this as support and just continues up, we know there's a good chance it makes it up to these zones again, right? So we got to be mindful of that. So that's why we have a small stop loss. I went a little bit smaller on my trade. So we'll see what happens. I'm down about $30 right now. It's a long minute. I like that rejection, right? So we're in the trade. Let's see what happens. If we could get a full pull down to the downside, right? That'd be great. Bit of some pullback right there, right? Let's see what happens. We're in the trade. I like what it's doing right here. So let's see if it can stay that way though. If it can reject this and fall off. So we want to see it use this as resistance now. Ooh, just like that kind of. But it's coming up on mine. Let's see. I mean, we got sellers coming in, but we never know what's going on. So one thing I know for sure is we never know what the market's gonna do. Um, and when I do know what the market's gonna do, I always tend to lose. So I try to keep things into perspective with that. We never know what the market's gonna do. So shit, I don't even like the way this candle's finishing because now it can stack, right? Boop, 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 and stack up. See, I mean, because if it just wicks out and comes back up, and then the body finishes up top, then we're in trouble, right? So let's see what happens. Yeah, see, like that. That's not going to cut it for us, right? And I mean, I don't know if this news necessarily affects everything. Like I said, we have this at 7 o'clock, so we're about, 40 minutes from that. Oof, that does not look good. I'm down. The good thing is I'm only down about $60 right now, so I don't feel the pain as much. But like if I was in a bigger lot, so it's not too bad. So I'm not really worried about taking it out here, but if we do, we do. It's just a part of it. Yeah, I might just close it though. The only thing that's really keeping me in the trade is this daily. I don't even know if it's a daily. Hold on. Oh yeah, this is a daily level. So this is a strong daily level right here. That's the only reason why I'm really still in this trade. But doesn't mean nothing, right? We see a bunch of rejections at this level here, but it really doesn't mean nothing. So um, it can blow through that in a quick second. So we just got to be mindful of that. Yeah, I don't like the way the 5 minute looks. Big 5 minute rejection candle, right? Then a huge engulfing candle. These two candles basically took out what, 2 hours. So let's see what happens. And this is a nice ILC right here too that it rejected off of. Let me show you where. So it could be coming to this ILC as well, which I did like. It was a 50% rejection. So I'd probably take another trade right here. So truthfully, I have a .07 in there, $7 a pip. This is a $350 risk. I'm willing to take that. And if I add a better position here, then we're in a better play, a better chance, right? For a play to act out the way we need it to. So hasn't quite got up there. So let's see. Fuck up my face, yo. Let's see what happens. If it gets up to our zone, then I'm really ready to take the trade. So let's see what happens. I like that rejection on the 1 minute. I'm in the trade, so let's see. Let me see the daily. Yeah, you know, the daily actually, when I look at it, I feel like, yeah, it can move up. Definitely can. So mm, let's see what it does. Ooh, that's a big push up. Well, let's see. Um, Still got my 0.07 in here, right here. If it touches this area, I'm getting in with the bigger position. So just be mindful. I'm only down $120, 130, so it's not too bad to be honest, considering it's US 30. But man, it does look like it could make its way up. I'm not even gonna lie. Oof. Let's see. My sell limit was just missed. No way. I had my sell limit at 43. It's kind of giving me cause to pause though. Nah, this is a good trade. When we do it the right way, especially now, right there at that 50%. It's a good trade. It's just a matter of if the market's gonna abide by it or not. Let's see if it hit. I'm in the trade now. I'm really in the trade now. So let's see. We are in this trade. Damn, it's kind of moving. Might break it. Let's see. It literally could be going to exactly where I don't, well, where I wanted it to go originally, which was up here, right? Oh, just stop me out. Damn. You win some, you lose some, dog. You win some, you lose some. All right, well, fuck it. Let's see. I mean, if it gets up to that level up top, I might risk it again, but we'll see because I haven't hit my loss for the day, but if it does make it up there, it's still a very nice trade, technically. Mm, Wow, was a bit of a big rejection, but what is it rejecting? I'd hate to see it just like, hey, we took you guys out, so, you know. It's a pretty damn big rejection right there. Hmm. I like that. It's kind of back in the area. Let me see the 30 minute, 15 minute, top of the 15 minute. To I mean, technically this is a little area, but it's not like anything crazy. But hmm, hmm. Okay, get it back out of there. I like it. Let's see how we get this thing going. It's the same area, right? Maybe if we see a little retrace back up in here, I'm in it. Let's see. Well, it might just come down. Let's see. All right. I actually just jumped back in the trade right now. So I got in right here. Um, all right. Let me see where the 1 minute EMAs are at. Still down here, so they've still got quite a ways down here to the 1 minute EMA. But I like the way it's kind of working its way right now. So let me see. And we got 7 o'clock coming, so maybe the news hits. We'll see. I got smaller positions in right here, so let's see how it plays out. $32,500. So these are key little areas right here. So let's see. This will be my last play, my last try, my last shot. We got news coming out at 7, a red folder. So we'll see how that kind of plays out too. See how the 5 minutes finishing. It's a nice. That one didn't quite look as nice. It looked nicer when it was finishing down here, but let's see. I'm interested to see what happens at 7 o'clock. So let's see. We're in the trade, so let's see. And like I said, I want to take it down here, right? Let's see if price gives us an opportunity to do that, and we'll take it from there. Oh, there we go. Let's see. It's got to take it though, right? Because I think we got the 1 minute EMA right here, right? So it can still just fly up on us. Same way this thing kind of, well, it didn't fly up, but like this right here, right? Same thing kind of here. Or I think this one just took out people with short stop losses like myself. Um, we would have needed, had it right here. No, I didn't. I had it shorter. So we would have needed an additional, technically we would have needed the 5 extra pips, but so technically this doesn't mean shit, right? Um, this candle. It's a 1 minute candle. The 5 minutes still finished a little bullish. So this thing could still turn up on us. There's still 2 minutes and 20 seconds for it to flip up and come back up this way. So we just got to be mindful of all those things. What we would like to see is for it to come down, use this daily as resistance, come down, kind of like what it's doing, and finish below, but it doesn't have to, right? The market does what the market wants to do. And, truthfully, I might have bottomed out, you know what I mean? So it's just crazy to think of, but we definitely could have bottomed out. So, you know, get it while it's hot. Let's see. So look at there's 1.5 minutes left on the 5 minute, and you can see how it looks now, right? Doesn't look so great. Now it's turning up into a bull candle. Now we can see it make its way all the way back up here. So this next minute is going to be pretty fucking key, because if it finishes like this, oh, I don't think there's such a good chance that, whoa. So now it's moving right off the EMA, right? I got small ones in here. So it's not, honestly, I feel like I can do this because I think this is a real possibility of it hitting these areas and falling off. Like a real possibility. So this is the original trade that I wanted, and the reason I didn't take this trade right here, because it was below, it was a 58%, right? It was a 38%, I mean. So below the 50, and I like this one right in the golden zone. So that was my original trade idea. So if it goes up there, I'm gonna go heavy, because I think we could see it fall all the way down here. But it just depends, right? So we got to see, because just like break a structure to the downside here, we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, because this high is higher than this high. So we got to be mindful of that shit. So let's see what the market gives us. If it does give us an opportunity to hop in, let's see what's what. So with NASDAQ dropping and US30 coming up, I'm sure there's like some type of discrepancy right here that is kind of holding it back, right? So let's see what's what. 7 o'clock's about 4.5 minutes away. So let's see what's what. Not another big rejection. Damn. See, it's taking out people with these short stop losses. like it, but it's got to do more than that, right? Still respecting the uptrend, still following suit. So see what it does. 7 o'clock coming. So we got to understand that 7 o'clock could be good news for us or bad news for us, right? In terms of our trade right now. The good news is technically we're expecting bad news, right? Which would be good news for us because we would see the market tank. Or we have good news, which would be bad news for us because then it would turn the market into a buy situation. So I would lock in our stop losses now, and then you'll see exactly what the market is going to be making available to us. So we got about 2 minutes left till open. Let's see what happens. See if it can make its way down. Sounds like my kids are waking up too, so it's big time shit right here. Get it while it's hot. All right, let me get the news up on this side. We're about a minute away. Make sure that you have your stop loss set. 80 pips is where I have mine. Make sure you set yours because it can blow past this and you're fucked. So, all right. Consumer confidence, red folder. Richmond Manufacturing Index, orange folder. So let's see. If the 5 minute finishes like exactly how it is right now, then we're looking good. But if not, yeesh. Could fly up. Let's see what consumer confidence says. Nobody knows, nobody knows, nobody knows. Richmond Manufacturing Index was not as bad as expected. I don't think nobody knows how to play this. Still no numbers yet. Oh, there we go. But no numbers. Ah, and then it flies back up. Shit, I don't know what's gonna happen. Right off the EMA, it could fly up. I don't see any numbers yet, so still none. Still no numbers, so I'm not too sure how to play it. I'm up some dollars right now, but it's nothing crazy to be honest. So, I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Oh shit, I'm only up about 10 pips, and it's about to stop me out right now. So, still no numbers. But it is pumping, which I don't like. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna come up, right? Respecting the EMAs. Looks like it's gonna stack now. Yeah, I think it looks like it's coming up, and we have no numbers. I was stopped out already at break even. My top position's about to get stopped out. Oh, consumer confidence is up. That's crazy. So that's a good thing, I guess. Oh, top position still in. It might be good, so that's a good thing, I think. Good morning. How you doing, baby? Good. How'd you sleep? Good. Yeah? My top positions are in. Thinking about adding another one. Alright, Thug Life. Let's see.
Daddy, I'm gonna lay down for 2 minutes and then I'm gonna make my food, okay?
Okay, baby. Now I got stopped out. Dang, everything at break even. Yeah, I mean, I think we should expect it to push up as of now, you know, with the news. I still think it's a sell-off technically, but it could just be time to go. So, like when we look at the 5 minute, let's see how the 5 minutes trying to finish bullish, right? Kind of leaving this one out the way. And it now used this ILC, our sell-off golden zone ILC. It broke through it, used it as support, moving up to the next level. Now it's on top of the daily, so there's a few things that are happening here that are kind of making it show its true colors to the upside, right? And then we got the news to match that. Consumers are confident now, so yeah, I think it's we broke even on a bunch of trades. I lost a total of 265 on the day. But it be like that sometimes. So it's not a bad loss. I think we control their losses pretty well. It's just a matter of, man, still rejecting that area though, huh?
It doesn't really work.
Go to the restroom. I need you. You guys broke this remote. Silas. What's up, dude? Good morning. How'd you sleep? Did you sleep good? Yeah? Yeah? You had good dreams? Are you ready to play with your trucks and have a good day? You ready to play with your trucks and have a good day? Yeah? I don't know what it's rejecting. Well, I guess maybe right here is what it's rejecting. No, that's up more. Oh, right here. Yeah, there's a little bit of support to resistance right here. I wouldn't take anything in this little gap. I would take something probably up to this broke even. I would probably wait for it to get up here. Once it gets up here, then we take the sell. I still think technically it's a break of structure, right? The only thing we don't have in our favor is the EMAs in place for us. So, but it's right here at the 61%. So we'll see. Let's see. I'm trying to find that number. Okay, it looks like it's headed up there. Man, 15. So I'm looking like around 535 on my chart. So we're about 15 pips away. Let's just confirm here. It's about the same. Yeah, about 15 pips away, right? And technically we would need about a let's call it a 70 pip stop loss. So let's see if we could reach up there. That'd be great. All right, let's see. 1 second, please. I'm gonna make your waffles, Zoe. All right, I'm gonna make your brother's waffles. You want blueberry or strawberry? Strawberry. You want blueberry or strawberry? No, you get these. No cookies in the morning. No cookies in the morning. Thank you. Shit, how come it didn't activate my trade? All right, let's see. We're in it. But it might just blow past all that shit. So I'm actually in now. Silas. Be nice. What are you doing, dude? Silas, that's not nice, dude. Sorry, guys. Alright, let's see what it gives us. It's not really moving from here. Stop. Alright, hurry up and head yours. Come here. I don't want to hear it. Damn, looks like it could blow through it. Let's see. Fuck up my face, you hoe. Man, it's crazy because I really just don't see. I mean, I see it, but I don't see it. The end of this cycle. You know what I mean? So. But we do have a daily above. Hey, you know what? down about 240, 190. The remote's probably broken now. Stop messing with it, Zoe. Break even right now, so let's see what happens. It's broken now. You guys broke it. No TV. What are you talking about? Stop touching it though. I mean, I'm up about $100 right now, but 7 pips. You know what? We're in the trade, so let's see. Let's see if we can rock this thing down. Oh shit, we're in play right now. We're up about 20 pips right now. Just the way it's moving, I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even, right? Because we're going against it. We're kind of counter trending it right now. Turn it down all the way. Actually, just turn it off, baby. You don't got time to watch TV, and I can't have the TV on. Just turn it off. Oh, shit. Don't tell me it's already going to stop me out. I don't really like the way that looks right there, right? If it stops me out, it stops me out. We'll see right now. Just got stopped out. I just got stopped out at break even, so you know what? I think it's time to call it. Oh. Yeah, and I think I have the wrong one out. Really? Shit, that looks good. Fuck it. I'm back in it. Turn it down more. Damn, right off the EMA. Yeah, this is like a key area right here, obviously, right? You got so many taps and rejections here. Shit all the way across. right? Wow, might be out of here. NASDAQ starting to make a little breakup. I think the news really hit the right way. Consumer confidence up all the way. See what this means. So it's been below 80 and now it's up to 104. So that's a pretty big. Might be. We'll see. Let's see. You eating your food, Zoe?
Are you finished with your day trip?
Nice next assistant. One banana, two banana, three banana, four banana, five banana, six banana, seven.
Oh, isn't that the black spot?
That is not. Let me get slapped with that banana. Want to get banana slapped? I mean, we're up right now, right? But how much longer are we going to be up for? Still going off the 1 minute EMA, right? Which we can clearly see here. Engulfing it. Oh. See if we could turn bearish. Bearish, 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 bearish. If we see a fall, let's see. Okay. We're up a good amount. About 20 pips, 20 plus pips right now. We're up about close to 30 pips now, 30 pips now. I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Oh shit, let's go. Come on, stay down. Right off the EMA again, right? So we just, I mean, I'm up about 550 right now. 500 on the trade. Oh, it's going lower and lower. All right, let's get into that area, right? So if you want to take profit, you could take profit. Right on the EMA, also the IOCs, right? It can be used as support and push back up. Alright, come on, break through this motherfucker, man. We're stuck at this 40 pip mark, right? I like the way the 5 minute finished, you know, truthfully, so. See if it can break through this 1 minute EMA. Let's see, let's see.